mind the cracking in my floor. That shit's annoying. Hey everyone, it's your girl Sincerely Summer. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I'm back. Today we're going to be doing a fashion to figure haul. I did shop with Fashion to Figure in the past. It's been a while that I've actually shopped with them, so I'm so excited. They've gifted me all these items. Let's get started. All right. When the beat drop. Okay. I'll let you guys know the size and the price of everything as I go along. Just to let you guys know, Fashion to Figure does go from size 12 to size 28. So big range in sizes. A lot of companies don't really go past the size like 22 or 24. So the fact that they go to a size 28 is pretty great. Check their chart. I'm sure all their sizing is on their chart. And I'll also let you guys know I'm anywhere from a size 20 to a 22 if it has stretch. If things run really small and it has absolutely no stretch, sometimes I do have to go to like a 24, but it's very rare that I have to do that. I had to wait for some of these items. They do sell out really fast. So if you do like something that you guys see in the video, make sure you run and just go grab it because they sell out pretty quick. All right, let's dig in and see. I'm so excited. Yeah. So I've been having like this obsession with leather lately. I've seen this top. I have a lot of black leather, the faux leather. I have a lot of brown leather items. And I seen this nude top and I was like, have to have. I was so happy that they actually had this in stock because a lot of items that I wanted was out of stock and I was going crazy. So I was really happy that they had this. It has a really cool belt. You can see the silver belt. It has a nice lining to it. I'll try this on for you too. I got this in a 3X. Clearly, like I stated, I have an obsession for faux leather. I got this in a 3X. They are $64. It actually feels really nice. It has a nice lining. I already know I'm going to be sweating once I try this on. It has a cute side pockets. Hopefully the side pockets look good on. We'll see how it looks. I'll try it on for you. All right, so alright guys, I'm so sorry. It's like getting super hot in here, so I put my fan on. I hope you can hear me over the fan. This nude blazer, you can definitely wear it open or closed. I love the geometric shape. I am obsessed with this top. However, it is pretty warm, so I'll probably wear it more in the winter if I can, if I get a chance to go out and maybe shoot in this. Super cute. I'm loving this situation here. So I explained to you guys how I've been having this obsession with faux leather, and I'm so happy that a lot of plus size companies are making more options for us plus size and curvy girls. I got this in a 3X. I can also style this with like a turtleneck underneath. I think that would be super cute. However, I want to talk to you guys about the pants. They kind of bunch up here and there's a lot of bunching going on. So these pants actually run big. Order it and get it in the 2X if you're a 3X. I'm gonna probably swap these out. I'm gonna send them back and get a 2X instead of the 3X. Hopefully they have them in stock because I know they sell out really quick. I have to literally like check the website every once in a while for certain items that I've been wanting. So if you like this, run. Not now, watch my video and then go go and get these. All right guys, I'm gonna show you the next item. Comes with a belt. Okay, I'm so excited to do a look with this. This is called the Organza Trench. It's $79.99. I did get it for $39. Again, they had a promotion. I really have been getting into my browns lately, so when I seen this piece, I was really excited for it. I'm just gonna come closer for you guys to see the fabric. It is organza, so it does have like that little bit of a shine to it. I'm really excited to share this and try this on with you guys. I'm more excited to do a look, and I'll post it to my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and link my Instagram down below. So please go check me out, and you can see a lot of these outfits on the gram. I kind of wish it didn't have the buckle, because then I could just do like a little tie situation with a little bow. I probably will just wear it that way, just because it won't really stay because of the organza. Double-breasted buttons. Yeah, I probably wouldn't button the bottom part. So it does come like to my knee, a little past my knee. I really like that. You can even wear this with a bodycon. You can wear it with jeans. There's so many different ways that you can style this. Once again, if you're not following me on my Instagram, I'll go ahead and link my Instagram, and you guys can follow me on there to see multiple looks that I'll do with this. A mesh trench, I mean, I had to have it. This does look a little short. We'll see with it on and how I style it. The wrap knit is $44. I got this in a 3X. It's got a nice stretch. It's not too sheer. I'll try this on for you guys as well. I absolutely love it. The fabric is nice. The fit is nice. I did order a 3X, which is typically what I order, anywhere from a 2 or 3. I think if I did a 2X, it would have still fit, but I like it to be a little bigger just to be safe, to get more of a wrap. And then if I wanted to wrap it more for coverage, I can do that. Or if I wanted to wear it more open, I would wear it more open. I typically don't like to show too much skin or too much cleavage, so that's why I also ordered the 3X, but love it. I ordered these flare jeans. I've been seeing them on social media, and I've been wanting them. Let me hold this up so you guys can see. Like, the bottom is super, super flare. I haven't worn like flare jeans like this in so long, so I'm excited to kind of get right back into like the old days and wear these flared pants. They were $69.95, and I did get a 22. They stretch. I probably could have did a 20, but we'll see the fit. I was just kind of nervous, so I went up a little bit in the size. I'll try them on for you too. I'll probably try this on with this other mesh top that I got. I'll show you guys the mesh top. I've really been into like this tie-dye look, and my style is a little more, I like to dress up more than dress casual. I mean, I don't look like this every day, but when I do dress up, I like to dress up. So I got this top. It's a mesh tie-dye. It's called Black. Looks a little more navy. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it has like that lime green and white. It cost $39.95. So I'll try this on with the bell bottoms, and we'll see how it looks. I'm obsessed. I love the detailing. You can wear it either way. I would probably wear it this way just because I think it's cool and edgy. I did also get this in a 3X. When I do get a 3X in my tops, things do tend to be a little big in my chest. My weight is more in my lower half of my body. It's not noticeable. It's only noticeable like when my hands are lifted. All right, guys, so I don't know if you can see this whole thing. Sorry, I know I'm like far away. I hope you guys can also hear me. I just wanted to show you guys the bell bottoms. Now, I'm about 5'7", so, and they're a little long, so I definitely would have to wear like some really cool platform shoes with this. Can you see? I hope you guys can see. I think even with heels, they'll be super long, so I might have to get that hemmed, but booty's looking right. Overall, I love it. It is such a beautiful fit. They're so comfortable. They fit perfect in my waist, and that's really refreshing because typically jeans are either too tight in the waist and fit good everywhere else, or vice versa. Usually they're like super loose in my waist because I am smaller in my waist. So love these jeans. I will be ordering more jeans from Fashion to Figure. Just saying. Don't mind this little like backdrop situation that I have going on. I was shooting a New Year video, so you'll see that on my IG. The fit on everything so far has been great. I remember. You guys, I don't know if you guys do this too. I clearly have a shopping problem. So when I buy things and I open the box, I'm like, wait, I don't remember buying this. Or, oh yeah, I forgot. You know you have a problem when you do that. Okay, so this is like a cute little sweater dress. I'm excited to style this. It kind of cinches at the waist here as well. I also got this in a 3X. For the flared sweatshirt dress, it is $69.95. Try that on for you too. And I got a 15% off code for the next time I purchase, which is nice. We'll see how everything works out. And no. So first, let's talk about this. It's called the flared sweater shirt dress. It was $69. This was also gifted from Fashion to Figure. I believe I got the 3X. Yes, I got the 3X in this. It is loose in here, but I actually like that because it fits nice in the waist, and then it has like this like tucked in, kind of pulled out effect. I love that. So I bought these boots as well. Okay, so I purchased these boots last year from Fashion to Figure. These boots are not gifted. I really was so sad when I got them. They didn't fit, but I had taken them to a shoe repair here in Chicago, and they added like this black extension for me in the back, and I'm obsessed. So if you are interested and want more info on the boot, let me know. Comment down below and I will go ahead and talk more about the boot and let you know where I went. So if you're in the Chicago area and you want to extend a boot, or if you like really want to buy this pair of boots and you're worried that it's not going to fit, but you love them so much that you're willing to take them to a shoe repair and like have them do the same thing that I did, let me know. Comment down below. Maybe I could do like a whole video on shoes, extra wide shoes or extra wide calf. Yeah, so let me know if you guys are interested in that. But let's get back to this dress. What I like about this flare sweatshirt dress is that you can dress it up or down. Like it looks so cute with these boots, but you can also wear these with leggings. It's actually a really nice fabric. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the inside, that's the outside, and the sleeve is super cute. Sleeve. The sleeve is really cute too. I have one more look for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys think. So the fur is $229. I did get it on sale for $114, and I had to just snatch everything. Everything was gifted. This tie-dye dress I've seen on their website, and I've actually been wanting to purchase it. Tie-dye has really been in. It's really been a thing. The tie-dye dress was $69, but I did get it on sale. So if you guys can catch like a promo code or like a sale that they're having, it's worth it. The quality feels really nice. It does have like a little bit of ribbing. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I've really couldn't wait to get this. Okay. So when I say that they run out fast and you need to run and buy things, I really mean it, because this coat seriously, I had to buy it in a 2X, which I probably would feel most comfortable in a 3, just so it looks great around my hips. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Hopefully it fits. I've been really waiting for this. It's a shaggy fur. It feels so nice. Also, the lapel and the collar is all lined in this like faux leather. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm obsessed. Moment of truth. Oh. I really wish I can go somewhere in this. I love it. Let me show you guys the fit. I mean, I'm looking right. I'm gonna try to go to their website and see what else I can find that's similar to this and grab like a whole bunch of them. I love how comfortable the fit is. It feels heavy and it feels good, but it's also light. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's just how it feels. So I'm also gonna show you guys. Hey. I mean, I don't know where she's going, but you know, I'm gonna have to go sit on my couch and drink some coffee with this. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys the length on this. It's to my ankles. I can definitely close it if I want to. Really happy that I got it in the 2X. I can't wait to shoot in this for you guys. Again, check out my Instagram if you want to see some more pictures on how I styled some of these items. And I'll go ahead and link my Instagram down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed all these items from Fashion to Figure as much as I did. If you guys have any questions or comments, please go ahead and leave some comments down below. If you guys have any suggestions or any other videos that you guys would like to see from me, also go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you guys can see many more videos that I'll be uploading in the future. Thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time. Bye guys.